Well, it's the third and final day of Africa Health Medlab Africa 2024, and it has been an incredibly busy and productive last 3 days with insightful connections, with loads of showcases, demos, and connections. Today, we launched the inaugural Empower Her conference, which brought together inspiring women leaders in healthcare from across the continent. AMREF also hosted their Africa Health Private Health Role Series, providing valuable insights into the policy landscape and healthcare delivery in Africa. Moving on to exciting news, congratulations to the winners of the Innov8 Startup Competition and Cr8 Student Competition respectively. Another notable mention is that our 2024 charity donations went to Pilani and the Health Foundation, who will benefit immensely from this initiative.
We've had a fantastic 2024 and we're really excited for a bigger and better 2025 in September.
Well, that's a wrap of the 14th edition of Africa Health and Medlab Africa. It has been a fruitful 3 days filled with stakeholder connections, networking, medical innovations, and knowledge sharing. A huge thanks to all our exhibitors, to our speakers, to all our partners, as well as all the healthcare professionals who participated in this event. If you want to stay updated on all our latest news, make sure you visit our website and all our social media channels as well. And until we meet again in 2025, bye-bye for now.